Hey, this is DJ Jazzy Jeff. Studio One Pro 7 is the first and only DAW with Splice built right in. Stop searching for sounds and start searching with sound. Now, if you don't know what Splice is basically a sample home of hundreds of thousands of samples, from drum samples to bass samples, vocal samples, you name it, Splice has it. Studio One is the only DAW that has Splice integration, meaning it's built into the browser. So you can literally grab something from the browser and just drag it into your song. So we're gonna test this out. So I really like this. So you know what? I'm gonna highlight everything. So this basically listens to my entire song and gives me suggestions of things that I can use. So let's hear what that sounds like. You can actually filter what you're looking for. So if you're looking for instruments, if you're looking for drums, you're looking for vocals, piano, brass, you name it, you can filter it and it will narrow your search down so you can find whatever you're looking for. Everything searches in context, meaning it aligns with the tempo and the key. You don't have to do anything. Splice will figure it out and do it for you. So you really can go through Splice and it is endless of what you can find that fits with your song. So your creativity is always on 100%. That shit was crazy.